Hello everyone, welcome to G's Kitchen. Today we are going to see a very simple dinner recipe. I'm going to make an egg noodles. Come, let's get into the video and check out the ingredients. Here into a pan I have added water and it's boiling now. Here I have taken vegetarian noodles. You can use egg noodles as well. So I'm going to add this and boil this until it is cooked perfectly. Add little bit of salt, not too much. And just mix it. This will be done in no time. Maybe it might take around 1 to 2 minutes. Once it has become soft, I'm going to strain this, and once it is cooked, I'm going to strain this and put it under running water so that it stops further cooking. After about 90 seconds, that is 1.5 minutes, now the noodles is soft and it's cooked. Let's switch off the flame and I'm going to strain this. The noodles is ready. Now let's make the vegetable and egg mix. Into a pan, I have added 2 tablespoons of oil and the oil is nice and hot. At this point, I'm adding ginger and garlic chopped finely. The smell of the garlic gives a nice flavor to the recipe. When the garlic is fried halfway, let's add in around 2 green chilies chopped. It's up to you how spicy you want. Then in goes some onions. I have taken a large onion and I have used half of it. Add enough salt. Once the onions have changed its color, now I am going to add in the egg. Add egg one by one. I am adding around 3 eggs. Add enough salt for the egg. And here I am going to add in little bit of chili flakes. If you feel you like this spiciness, you can add. If not, you can completely avoid this. Now let the egg sit for a while. Do not disturb. Let it cook from down and then we can mix it. After about 30 seconds, let's mix this. Leave it to cook for a bit more. Now the egg is cooked well. At this point, I have chopped leeks, green leeks, about 3/4 cup. I'm going to add this in as well. After a minute, add in some carrots. I'm adding around half a cup. You can also add capsicums if you like. Mix well and check for salt. I'm adding little bit more. Salt always to your taste, so check and adjust accordingly. And now let's add in the cooked noodles. Mix well. You can choose to add prawns or chicken, or it is at your convenience and what you like. Now this is mixed well. Finally, I am going to add in some soya sauce. This is optional as well. If you don't like the flavor, you don't have to add in. Mix it well. And now our egg noodle is ready. Tasty egg noodles is ready. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Thank you.